This class is designed to facilitate beginner blacksmiths, so no experience necessary, and we've started with hammer control and fundamental forging techniques. One of the things that really makes us unique is that we have so many stations to where there's no sharing tools. Everybody has their own forge, their own anvil, tongs, everything, and really all you need to start is a heat source, something heavy to hit against, which would be your anvil, and something heavy to hit with, which would be your hammer. From that point, you can basically make any tools that you need to continue the trade. Pieh has worked hard to bring people in that continue that tradition. No matter what their skill set, we have a very wide demographic that attends this class. So everything from true beginners to people that maybe they're more intermediate or even advanced. We start with fundamental techniques of forging. There's only so many different techniques involved in forging, and then it's just a matter of what order you put those and use those and manipulate the material. So we start with very simple projects such as S-hooks, coat racks. Then we work into making our own chisels, heat treatment of our tools. We forge some pipe, making chili peppers or candlesticks. And ultimately the goal is to have built that skill set enough by Sunday we're making our own tongs. Hopefully leaving here with the sense of ownership and stewardship for the trade, that they become spokesmen for handmade ironwork. Participants of the Pieh class really respect us because we're always conceiving, continuously inspiring, and of relentless lightheartedness. We have classes going on every month. Feel free to look at the website, give us a call. Be happy to answer any questions and hope to see you in the forge.